I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you. I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through, 'cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. I'm still falling for you, for you. Remember when we first met, you said light my cigarette. So I lied to my mom and dad. I jumped the fence and I ran, but we couldn't go very far, 'cause you locked your keys in your car. So you sat and stares at my lips, and I could already feel your kiss. Long nights, daydreams, sugar and smoke rings. I've been a fool. Strawberries and cigarettes always taste like headlights on me. Racing at 60, I've been a fool. Strawberries and cigarettes always taste like you. Remember when you taught me fate, said it'd all be worth the wait. Like the night in the back of the cab, when your fingers walk in my hand. Next day, nothing on my phone, but I can still smell you on my clothes. Always hoping that things would change, but we went right back to you again. Long nights, daydreams, sugar and smoke rings. I've been a fool. Strawberries and cigarettes always taste like headlights on me. Racing at 60, I've been a fool. Strawberries and cigarettes always taste like you. Even if I run away, give my heart a holiday, still strawberries and cigarettes always taste like you.